They say age doesn't matter, and when it comes to being a resource speaker, this fresh college graduate attests that age really doesn't matter in acquiring and imparting knowledge. Young as he is, he has proven himself enough in the field of computer technology. At an early age, he already defied mediocrity when it comes to academic performance. He finished elementary at Vigan Central School in 2002 with honors. In high school, he belonged to the special science class of the Ilocos Sur National High School. He also served as the sports editor of their school paper. He grew up in the generation when innovations in technology surfaced by the day, when Steve Jobs and Bill Gates introduced from time to time latest technology in computers and gadgets. This may be the reason behind his interest and acquisition of knowledge in computer technology. And so, in college, without any other course to take up in mind, he took up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science in the University of Northern Philippines College of Communication and Information Technology, where he gained extensive training in theories of programming, software development, troubleshooting, web development, and multimedia editing. He made sure he put in mind and practice whatever training and learning he acquired from lectures, seminars, and trainings in line with ICT. These trainings and seminars include his on-the-job training at NBN Ilocos Channel, where he developed the website of the local TV station, theilocos.channel.com. After his on-the-job training, because of his skills in web developing and other computer-related skills, he was absorbed by the station and eventually worked as the web administrator of NBN4 Ilocos while he was still studying. To date, he just developed another site, thedamselsdream.com. Other trainings and seminars he attended include ICT Research Congress, IT Skills Standards Overview, Business IT Expo, Adobe Photoshop and Basic Troubleshooting, Y for IT, among others. A web developer, a web administrator, a multimedia editor, a technical support, a fresh graduate and prized product of CCIT. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Mark Ian Paul R. Farales.